Delegates of Somaliland and Khartoum State expressed optimism to reach agreement on their key issues. Senior officials of both sides have made their remark on Sunday while beginning a two-day consultative meeting here in Addis Ababa. Daniel Kasahum presents Kifle Jesus Abebe's report.
Somaliland and Khartoum delegates are holding their peace talks here in Addis Ababa to discuss issues pertaining to the resolution of long-standing disagreement between Somaliland and Khartoum. In a press briefing, Said Al-Shrai, Minister of Foreign Affairs for Somaliland, claims his optimism to settle differences and reach agreement.
We're going to discuss and negotiate issues of interest, of interest to our people, and the meeting started in very good atmosphere, friendly atmosphere, and we hope that we will be able to come to an agreement on all key issues. We're very optimistic.
Similarly, Khartoum delegates also hope both parties can reach an agreement.
We are trying to reach common ground and bridge our differences, and we are very hopeful that at the end of the meetings we will produce a fruitful outcome from this meeting, and we will seek a common ground that will benefit both our people and the Horn of Africa.
The 2 days consultative meeting is meant for thorough discussions, thereby resolving conflict and making peace between the two parties, which also benefits IGAD sub-region at large.